Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a permanent profile link on Discord in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking the user settings gear icon at the bottom left to open your settings. A settings window opens with a sidebar of categories on the left. In the settings sidebar, click Developer to open the Developer Options screen. The main panel updates to show developer-specific settings. Toggle Developer Mode on. This lets you copy user IDs. The toggle switch turns blue to show it's enabled. Close the settings modal by clicking the X button at the top right. Click your profile picture at the bottom left to open the user menu. A menu panel appears with several profile options including your account status and custom status. Click Copy User ID. This copies your unique Discord ID to your clipboard. You'll see a brief confirmation tooltip appear. Open the menu again by clicking your profile picture. Click Copy User ID once more, and then click into any server to open a channel. A text channel appears where you can type messages. Click into the message box and type your user ID to confirm it. You'll see the long number appear as a sent message. This 18-digit number is your permanent Discord identifier. Now type the permanent link format into the message box, discord.com/users/ and paste your copied ID at the end. This creates a direct link to your profile. Press enter to send the message, and a link preview appears showing your profile card with your username and avatar. That link is your permanent profile address that works even if you change servers or display name. This link works anywhere on the web, not just inside Discord. You can share it on other platforms or add it to your email signature. If the Copy User ID option doesn't appear in your menu, go back to Settings and make sure Developer Mode is toggled on. You can use the same method to create permanent links to other users' profiles too. Just right-click their name in any chat and copy their user ID instead of your own. The link opens your profile for anyone who clicks it, even if they're not in any servers with you. And that's how to make a permanent profile link on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.